Hello guys, this is Charan and welcome to Charan's Tech. Guys, today I have a Noise Fit Fusion smartwatch with me. It's a hybrid smartwatch from Noise, guys. By the means of hybrid, it means, guys, you get smart mechanical hands of a watch and a touchscreen, a TFT touchscreen, guys. So guys, I've been using this watch from past 1 year. I brought this watch on somewhere around 5th of February 2020. So guys, today I'm gonna give you the in-depth review of this watch, guys. Let's get going with the unboxing and review, guys. On the front side of the box, you can see the name of the watch, Noise Fit Fusion, and on the back side, you can see, guys, 2-in-1 hybrid smartwatch with mechanical hands and color touchscreen. Guys, this watch can be paired with devices above running on Android 5.0 or above, or an iOS 8 or above. It's water resistant up to 5 ATM. This watch has digital watch faces, 1.22 in TFT touchscreen, smart notifications, and guys, this watch has 30 days battery life if you use this in analog mode. And if you use the watch to full extent, I mean all these features in the watch, you can easily get the battery life up to 3 days. You have daily reminders, activity tracking, smart mechanical movement, heart rate monitor, smart vibration, time zone auto sync. Guys, you can download the app by scanning this QR code, and you can see some other information on this box, guys. And the MRP is, it's telling 9,999 rupees, but you can get it for somewhere around 6,000 rupees or 7,000 rupees in Amazon. So guys, let's unbox this. Guys, the packaging is very good in this on the box. We should first remove this. After that, open this like this, and after that we should open this. After that, you get this information manual, guys. By opening this, you can see some papers, some booklets. This is register your product or something like that. And other thing is, guys, you get a user manual. So you get a user manual, guys. After that, let's keep this thing aside. And guys, here you have the watch. Guys, don't mind, my watch is little bit scuffed here and there because I've been using this for past 1 year. So guys, you get this is the watch, guys. Let's keep the watch aside. And you get a magnetic charging dock and a micro USB cable, guys. And you get an extra strap, guys. This is the extra strap, silicone strap, guys. This is a silicone strap for sports activity, and the strap you get with the watch is a leather strap, guys. So let's just switch on the watch and let's see this. Just a second, guys. I'll remove these things aside and I'll just show you the watch. Guys, this is the strap and this is the watch. So by clicking this button, you can power on the watch, guys. Guys, you can see the noise animation while you are switching the watch on. And guys, I've set this custom watch face. You can change different watch faces, guys, by long pressing this or by going into the app. See, guys, these are the official Noise watch faces. In the official watch faces, I like this watch face the more, guys, because it shows us the date, watch battery percentage, and the steps we have took. And guys, for now, I'll keep this on my custom watch face, on this custom watch face, guys. So let's get the phone and look in the app, guys. Just a second, guys. So guys, this is the settings. I have just the watch is in airplane mode right now, because if I turn on this, I will be getting the notifications. So that's why I've kept it in airplane mode, guys. You can set your profile. In settings, you can auto sync the watch, unpair the watch, calibrate the watch. You can see the device unit, heart rate monitor, remote camera app, preset sleep, inactivity alert, and some other stuff like that. And you can register the warranty through the app, guys, after setting up the watch. And in advanced, And in advanced settings you can lift to wake. I mean, if you tilt your wrist by wearing the watch will be, the screen will wake, and you can use 24 hours time guys. And there are such features, and there are all watch faces guys. See guys, you can set the watch faces. These are for custom watch faces, and these are the regular stock watch faces guys. You get somewhere around, I think maybe 20 to 30 or more than that guys. That's just an approximate figure. And you can see your ranking guys. There is buddy ranking, I mean if your friends have, or world ranking. And in activity, the watch is not connected guys, it's not showing. If the watch is connected, it shows the steps, calorie count, distance, active time, sleep, and heart rate guys. So guys, this is the app of the watch. And let's keep this app aside and just look at the watch guys. After switching on, you can go upwards guys. In here you can see the heart rate. This is the brightness option guys. This is the brightness option, and you have this what will tell beep sound guys, like this, beep and vibration. A lost mode, weather notifications guys. Actually you don't get a proper weather notification in this, so please don't expect any continuous tracking. And you can track your activity guys. See, you can see my activity throughout the day, and if you want to see the notifications, there will be here guys, there are here. And after that, if the watch is closed like this, and in night time if you want to see the time without clicking this button guys, without switching the full display on, click this button and it will show this animation guys, like this on the display, so you can see the time easily. And guys, if you want to calibrate the watch, you should long press this button while pairing the watch. And if you for instance, let us say I've opened an app, and if I want to go back, I can just click on this guys. This is the back button of the watch. You get activity tracking, weather notifications, messages guys, and heart rate guys. I think this does not show accurate heart rate. Just a second guys, I will just show you the heart rate while placing the watch on the wrist. Just a second. Result guys, for checking the heart rate, you should first click on this and open and click like this. It will be measuring guys, it's measuring. If you want your heart rate, if you want the watch to continuously measure your heart rate, you can switch it on in the app guys. And I'll just let it's showing somewhere around 84 beats per minute. In here I have a pulse oximeter, so let's see in that too guys. It's showing somewhere around 99, and I'll just click on the watch too, so let them measure. Just a second guys, we'll get an accurate figure. Yeah guys, the sensor in the watch is not that fast. Yeah guys, you can see it's showing 106 bpm. Most of the time it's it's not accurate guys. Sometimes it is accurate, but sometimes it's not. So guys, and after that I'll just remove this thing now. And guys, you can swap, and backside you are getting this heart rate sensor and some normal stuff guys written here. And you can swap the bands. It's a 22 band size guys, so you can even put some aftermarket brands from by ordering them on Amazon, Flipkart, and even you get official brands from Noise, so you can just swap them like this by removing this thing like this guys. So after that you can swipe this thing is this side, and you can see the alarm activities and somewhat like that, and remote music app and the sleep app. This is the sleep app guys, and this is the camera app, remote camera. Just a second. Remote camera guys. So it's showing if the camera is connected, the remote camera is connected, and in sleep you can see the time and last night's sleep, and you can set the sleep timing. I mean, if you want 8 hours or 9 hours of sleep, like that. And if you click on this menu icon guys, you can see lost mode, it's a timer, a stopwatch, and an alarm, like that, and the maybe remote calendar guys. And in settings, if you go to settings guys, you can, in general, you can see the languages, like which language you want, and units like weight and weight metric or imperial, and you have the Bluetooth here, watch info, and regulatory guys. If I go back, you can set the time, calibrate the time, or just time set the time by rotating the digital crown guys, and vibrations. And after that, in display you can set watch faces guys in settings, and after that wrist flick, you can on this feature from here by clicking on this and by just clicking on, so you can on this thing. At present I love that. And brightness and left mode guys, you have left mode. If you turn this on, the watch will rotate. I mean, you can keep the watch like this if you want on your wrist. And after that, just let me switch this thing off. And screen timeout guys, I mean how many how many seconds, or like that. From 5 seconds, the maximum timing is up to 5 minutes guys. So that's it. And in activity you can see heart rate and goals, like that, and reset watch. Guys, this watch doesn't have any microphone or speaker to answer the call. It just gives the notifications which you are getting on your phone, and if someone is calling on your phone guys, you can see their name and you can give quick replies to messages guys. So guys, for the price which Noise is giving, the feel of the watch is very premium guys. It feels like somewhere around 20,000 or 20 to 25,000 watch, not like a 5,000 or 6,000 rupees watch. This is when I bought this watch, it costed me somewhere around 7,000 guys, but now the price is dropped. This is a 44 mm case and 1.22 inch TFT touchscreen. So guys, if you want a smartwatch with speaker and microphone, then this is not the watch for you guys. But if you want a smartwatch which looks premium and which shows the notifications and something like that, this is the best smartwatch guys, I mean till date. Actually the thing is guys, this is a hybrid smartwatch. So these are the mechanical hands, you can see, right? These are physical hands. If you switch the display off also, they'll be like this guys. So it's a complete touchscreen behind, and on that you get a what we'll say this mechanical hands. And guys, this is a proper stainless steel case, and this is a sapphire glass guys, sapphire crystal glass. And guys, if you are looking at some notifications, for instance, let's open the notification app or activity app, and if the hands are disturbing you, you can just click this button guys. You can just double click this button like this. The hands will just go like this guys. And if you plus this once again, if you plus this once again, the hands will come in the normal position. And guys, if someone is calling you, you can also see their name, and if you click on that thing, if you click on their name, you can see the option to lift or to end the call. If you want to lift the call, just click on the green button, and if you want to end the call, you can click on the red button guys. That's it for today guys. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.